In this example, we need to determine whether the points come from a function. So looking at A, we have 5 different coordinates. The easiest way to visualize this is to draw each coordinate on a graph. So looking at our left graph, we're going to first start by plotting 4, 12. So let's just say that this is where 4 is on our graph, and then we'll say 12 is somewhere around here. So our dot is going to meet in the middle of those two lines. Our next coordinate is 5 and 15. So we'll say that this is 5, and we'll say up here is 15. So following this 5 up to meet our 15, we have our new dot right here. Our next coordinate is 6 and 18. So we'll draw that on our graph, and then following the 6 up to meet our 18, we have our new dot up there. Looking at our next coordinate, we have 7 and 21. So following our 7 all the way up to meet our 21, we have our new dot right there, and our final coordinate is 8 and 24. So following the 8 up to meet the 24, we have our new dot here. And we can see that these coordinates do produce a function, because all these coordinates pass the vertical line test. None of these dots are directly on top of each other, so therefore A is a function. Now let's take a look at our coordinates of B. Again, let's plot these coordinates. So we're first going to plot our 4, 12 coordinate. So following the 4 up to meet the 12, we have our dot in the middle. Our next coordinate is 4 and 15. So again, we're going to start with the 4 and then go up to where our y meets 15. Well, right away we can see that this is going to cause some troubles, because these two dots don't pass the vertical line test, because they are directly on top of each other. So because they have the same value of x, that means that b is not going to be a function. You can continue by drawing the rest of your coordinates, or you can just stop right when you notice that you have two different coordinates on top of each other.